To make your project even more appealing and diverse, you have the option to integrate images, videos and audio. To do this, go to Media on the left side under Project Resources. Then click on the desired media type. Under the tab you will find various symbols for adding, copying and deleting elements. Press the plus button and select Upload. You now have the option of dragging and dropping the file into the field or selecting it from the desired folder. Afterwards click on Apply. The uploaded file is now in the respective folder. In order to be able to integrate the file into the sequences, it still needs the following step. First click on Interfaces under Project Resources and then on the uploaded media type. Click the plus button again, select Interface and the desired medium. There the file new image, video or audio will appear. On the right side you can now change the name and assign the desired already uploaded image by clicking on Image. Afterwards you only have to drag and drop the image into the desired sequence. In the previous tutorial, the image is now still shown on the left, above our avatar Sam. If you are wondering how to position pictures, videos and audios at the right place, as it is the case here, check out our other tutorials or drop me a line with your questions.